Hey guys, how you doing? Henry here at Mowers and Blowers. It's Sunday, beautiful day. Got a call, text from somebody who was throwing away his Honda 215R. Says it only starts with starter fluid, so it's probably needs a carb clean, sight unseen.
Take the next right onto Woodbury Road.
I'm gonna go and pick it up, free. Ooh. I'm here. Wow, really nice area. And there it is right there. Unfortunately, there's no bagger. Always wish that there was a bagger, you know what I'm saying? It's got that aluminum deck. It's old. Just that easy. But you know what, man? Just the way it feels by pushing it, it's solid. Apparently he kept it in his garage. There's some rust and stuff. Feels solid, man. Thank you. So I'm gonna work on this thing today. It's kind of in rough shape. It's got quite a bit of rust on the left side here. Other than that, it seems like it's in pretty good shape. The guy said that it started with ether. Where do you even get ether anymore? Anyhow, definitely an old timer. I hate these Hondas. Haven't had good luck with Hondas, really. Sounds like just a carb clean should do it, hopefully. I'm not going to try to invest too much time into this thing because I could probably fetch maybe $100 for this. Tops. So I'm going to remove this air cleaner. I haven't worked on this model before, ever. I've done a few Hondas before, didn't have success with one of them, and carburetors are kind of difficult to you know, take care of. Two large screws, cover comes off, looks like that. Air filter looks pretty good. Those screws come right off. I believe they're metric, so none of the American drive things fit. Kind of a pain. 10mm works. And this air cleaner base just comes off, entire assembly. 2 bolts here and 1 bolt there. So it's supposed to just slide off, but it doesn't. Well, it took some doing, but carb finally came off. I had to bend this linkage a little bit just to get the Z-bend off. It was a pain. The other one over here just popped right off, which is good. Gotta clamp off that fuel line. It's the breather hose over there. Look how long that bolt is. To slide that all the way out and get the linkage off. Pain. So I'm gonna remove the bowl nut here. Lots of rusted out and gummed up fuel. There was chunks of gummed up fuel just popped out there. For that. Yeah. That's why it doesn't start. It's disgusting. Well, hopefully this was it, you know. Didn't have to do too much. The float actually has a plastic needle on it with a rubber tip that's spring loaded. Kind of cool. A lot of corrosive rust buildup there. Some gum right over here. Gonna blow out those holes. Look into that. Look in there. It's kind of yucky in there. Clean that out. Looks better now. Excuse me. I'm gonna try to take that screw out and clean that. It was a pain to get that little thing out of there, because once you did loosen it up, it takes a little bit to get it to the second amount of threads and get it out. You almost have to stick like a needle in that hole just to get to the threads to have some pressure to pull it out. Looks pretty clean though. I misspoke. It's actually, that hole was filled with stuff. See that? After I put the needle in there, filled with stuff. Completely clogged. What did I just pulled out of there? Cotton? Just what a thread was inside. Much cleaner now. You could actually see through it now. It's like some kind of cotton in there before. I don't know if it's supposed to be there. I doubt it. That's the fuel mixture screw. I'm going to pull that out and blow carb cleaner in there. I put it back, and I'm not going to put that other stuff on there yet. I'm going to give it a pull, see what happens. Damn, I gotta tell you, man, that is smooth. Smooth and very powerful sounding. I mean, so smooth. Literally no vibration whatsoever. I'm pretty impressed, man. I mean, I know about Honda engines and, you know, their reputation of being, you know, such great engines and stuff, but I tell you, this is an oldie, and that is smooth. It's an HRA215. Wait, did I just see that? Made in the USA. How about that? Man, this thing runs great. You know what, man? I'm gonna mow my lawn. I'm gonna put that other stuff back on, and looks like this is good to go. It was pretty easy, just a carb clean, you know. But man, engine runs great. Maybe I'll sell this for $125 now. Maybe $150. Yeah, $150. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. I just mowed my entire front and back lawn with this. Dude. Almost makes me feel like not selling it. Mows great, man. Easy.